Greater Kalamazoo Association of Realtors Business Partner Spotlight. I'm Amy Potts, and today I'm joined with Josh Summerfield of Consumers Credit Union. Josh, thanks for joining me.
Yeah, thanks, Amy. Glad to be here.
Absolutely. We're thankful to have you as a business partner.
Yeah, we're excited to be part of it.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about Consumers.
Yeah, so Consumers has been around this area for quite a long time, back in the 50s really, and we really service any loans in Michigan currently, and actually outside the state as well, but primarily in Michigan, and we have offices all over West Michigan. We're headquartered here in Kalamazoo, which is great for our Kalamazoo Association of Realtors, of course.
Yeah.
And then we have offices in Grand Rapids and up and down the lakeshore, over into Lansing now. So continuing to grow like crazy, which is really fun to be part of. So
Yeah, it is. And it's great that you are actually a financial institution, so buyers can continue to do all their banking with you.
yeah, we love when our borrowers get to bank with us, right? Become
Right.
members and open their checking and savings accounts with us, and do their auto loans, and really want all of their business and under one roof.
Yeah, absolutely. And as every month as they're paying that mortgage right in their account, they can really keep a close eye on it, see it go down.
It makes it a lot easier for them, for sure.
Yeah. Well, you've got a great staff at Consumers Credit Union. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we really do. We're fortunate to have some great loan officers on our team all over West Michigan, but specifically here in Kalamazoo, we have about 11 loan officers here on the streets, and then another 5 or 6 in the call center. So they're out there partnering with our realtor partners that are part of GCAR, really there to support them in any way possible, and our borrowers in the greater Kalamazoo area.
Right. And some of your loan officers are involved in committees here, so really networking and serving the industry.
They are really. Community is a big part of the credit union culture at Consumers. We want our people involved, our employees involved, and that's no different with our loan officers. They do a great job with the committees on GCAR. I know several are involved with, like, from the social committee to the finance committee, all the different committees that are available. We're somewhere represented in there,
Yeah.
which is awesome.
We appreciate
So-
that. Well, let's speak to realtors about some of the programs that you have at Consumers.
Yeah, it's we're fortunate to be able to offer a variety of different products. I won't get too much into detail on that, but portfolio-wise, which sets us apart a little bit different.
Right.
Not many lenders out there are doing portfolio lending. They just kind of have the vanilla, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA type stuff, which we do, and we love those loans.
Yeah.
But we also like to get creative. We like the storybook loans that other people can't do. We kind of say good loans other people won't do, and they're fun to kind of structure and put things together that maybe is just outside the box a little bit.
Right.
We really like the opportunity to do that.
Yeah, portfolio loans used to be really hard to find, so it's great that you're offering that.
Yeah, and it's great for our realtor partners to be able to kind of have that in their back pocket to help somebody get into a home that might not otherwise be able to,
Right.
because they're not fitting inside the box of the other standard products.
Yeah, that makes sense. So talk to us about, I know you were telling me that you have an app
Mm-hmm.
that's great for your buyers, but it also benefits the realtors as well.
Yeah, on the front end process, our borrowers can download an application on their phone, a mobile app. We call it Fast App, and it really takes them through the whole process from signing disclosures to just the initial application. But we also can co-brand it with our realtors, so the realtor can be part of that transaction, start to finish, and they can push the app to their buyers and get alerts throughout the whole process, from the appraisal is in to files back from underwriting to, hey, we're clear to close. All those great notifications that you want to
Yes.
know. They can get that prior to the lender even calling them. Of course, the lender, our loan officers are going to be reaching out and updating them along the way, but
Right.
it is nice to get that little ding on your phone, right?
Yeah,
And say, hey,
absolutely.
appraisal's in.
Keeping
So-
the realtor in the loop, but also really letting them look like an expert to their client too, with that co-branding that you offer.
Exactly, and it really creates that partnership to where your buyers are really seeing that you are all on the same team, working towards the
Right.
same goal of getting them that house.
Yeah, that's what realtors love.
Yeah.
Yeah, and speaking of the realtors, you also offer some educational opportunities for them.
We do. We're always looking to help our realtor partners out and educate in any way possible. We love coming in and doing lunch and learns, or just speaking to your team, just to kind of give them background on what's going on in the market, to products and services that we have or what's out there available, and then just help structure loans. How can we get more people into homes?
Right, yeah. Well, that's great information. Yeah, we appreciate having you as a business partner. If the realtors are interested in learning more about Consumers Credit Union, how can they reach you?
Yeah, they can go to consumercu.org and look up the Kalamazoo area, and they'll find a list of our great loan officers there, and maybe they know one and maybe they don't, and they can connect. That way they can also reach out to me as well. And my email is josh.summerfield@consumercu.org. I'm happy to connect them with one of our team members if they don't already have one.
Perfect, and we'll definitely see you at some GCAR events.
Always, we're always at every one of them. You'll see, good 7, 8, 10 of us there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We enjoy the events.
Yeah, well, thank you so much, Josh.
Yeah, thank you, Amy.